I now request Professor Shekhar, former Registrar NIMHANS, to kindly introduce psychosocial support in disaster management services. Welcome, sir.
Disasters always occur in a matter of seconds, and they have told me I have to finish in 4 minutes. Let us look at that. The Center for Psychosocial Support in Disaster Management, and I'm sure that you're all sitting in the epicenter of a biological disaster today in Corona. However, welcome to NIMHANS, and this has been the long journey of NIMHANS starting from 1980 from Professor H.S. Narayan, who worked along with Bangalore circus tragedy, to that of the various major disasters in the country. And all these 4 decades of work has been recognized by the Ministry, Government of India, as one of the nodal center for psychosocial support and mental health services in NIMHANS as early as 2005. Subsequent to that, the National Disaster Management Authority under the Prime Minister's thing has considered this as a center for excellence, and in 2019 they carved out a separate center for psychosocial support in disaster management, which is a multidisciplinary in nature with psychiatrists, clinical psychologists, psychiatric social workers and nursing working together on the psychosocial support and disaster management issues. The vision is to be as a global leader, not only as a national leader in provision of psychosocial support services and translational research capacity building, and we are reaching out to countries like Japan as well as China, Indonesia, Philippines, as well as the European, African countries in most of the other disasters for humanitarian services. Be prepared to be a part of the journey. And our mission is to evolve and monitor strategies for disaster management and psychosocial support in different cultural and ethnic groups. Those of you who have the eloquence of talking in different languages might be called in or roped in for assignments on this particular area. And we facilitate global, national and regional multi-sectoral collaboration on psychosocial support services, enhance institutional capacities and capabilities, develop appropriate human resources at national, regional, that is one of the major mandate, and initiate scientific translational research activities on psychosocial support and mental health services, ensure evidence-based research work on a multidisciplinary nature and foster advocacy. And the current areas of work, we are looking at human resource development, services, including that of the Corona, in terms of running a national helpline which has been able to reach out to nearly 4 lakh people, and currently we are having a follow-up of them. And there is a Samashriya clinic in the outpatient department wherein you can look for referrals of persons who have been traumatized due to disasters or emergencies and other things. Research, training, program development and policy initiatives are some of the major work. And we do a spectrum of activity and a timeline-based activity of psychosocial first aid, psychosocial care and support, rehabilitation, reconstruction. This is post-disaster sort of a work. And in terms of the pre-disaster, we look at preparedness, hazard, risk, vulnerability analysis, risk reduction, and helpline services, which are the current ones, which we are looking at and taking forward a disaster risk-reduced nation as per the Sendai framework, which is currently into focus. We have 2 courses to offer. One is the fellowship program, which is again multidisciplinary, open for persons with a medical degree as well as persons with that of social work, psychology and nursing, and PhD in psychosocial support in disaster management. And there are quite a bit of ongoing programs, ongoing projects along with the UNDP, United Nations Development Program, in 6 states and 5 cities. And we are also working with the National Disaster Management Authority in terms of forming a national level preparedness module, stress management and counseling for the ITBP personnel. And we have a larger project of 1,25,000 police personnel families as well as the police personnel, stress management and other things being taken care of. I can keep talking about state level programs of CAVIL back in the entire Kerala state and psychosocial work. These are the major projects which currently the center is running with a huge funding and other things, and people who are interested to look at research or in terms of to be a part of the training and other things, you are always welcome from the different levels. Activities, we have centralized training here, as well as field-based training. As on today, there are two major trainings going on in Orissa, Ganjam, as well as Bolangir area, as well as we have an on-site and online training program. We have 6 of the state-of-art theaters along with us, theaters meaning to say VC rooms. You are always welcome to utilize that for any of your departmental as well as other activities back there. And in terms of services, we do rapid need assessment. We might need assistance from you whenever there is a thing which is occurring, and detailed need assessment, and later psychosocial support services, assessment of the effectiveness of the services. We are also developing a large number of tool development, resilience measurements, assessment of strength among individuals, families and communities as a research thing. The varied type of training programs what are being run by us, it does not look only at natural disasters or human-made disaster. We also look at children in difficult circumstances by using various sort of promotive, preventive and other things like life skills, enriching family life, mental health issues, student enrichment program, and counseling and psychosocial care for women and all. There is a control room. You are welcome for the control room as well as the war room to work along with us for the thing. And this is a list of faculty who are available and the staffs who are there in the department. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.